Ladies, pack your bags and grab your besties. It's time for the ultimate girls' getaway across America's most fabulous destinations. First stop, Charleston, South Carolina. Picture pastel-colored houses, cobblestone streets, and a pineapple-shaped fountain. Did you know Charleston's Rainbow Row is one of the most photographed spots in the U.S.? Stroll through the charming Lowcountry, indulge in world-class shopping, and savor excellent dining with a seaside setting that's perfect for those Instagram-worthy moments. Next, we're heading west to Livingston, Montana. Imagine glamping under the stars near Yellowstone, where you might spot a grizzly bear or a wolf pack. Fun fact: Yellowstone has over 10,000 geothermal features. For the ultimate luxe outdoor experience, book a stay at Under Canvas, where nightly s'mores and stargazing are included. Craving sun and sand? 30A in Florida is calling. With its pristine white beaches and charming coastal towns, it's a slice of paradise. Seaside, one of 30A's towns, was the filming location for The Truman Show. Whether you're into bike rides, boutique shopping, or lounging on white sand beaches, this Gulf Coast gem has something for every girlfriend squad. For a dose of history and cherry blossoms, Washington, D.C. is a must. Did you know the city's cherry trees were a gift from Japan in 1912? Plan your visit in late March to catch the beautiful cherry blossom season. Explore national landmarks, impressive museums, and indulge in the capital's culinary offerings. Fancy a taste of New England charm? Biddeford, Maine offers both beach and mountain vibes. Also home to the oldest lighthouse in Maine, commissioned by George Washington himself. Choose between a coastal getaway or a picturesque ski trip to nearby Pleasant Mountain, depending on the season. Let's spice things up in New Orleans, Louisiana. Jazz, beignets, and endless festivities await. Here's a quirky fact: it's illegal to ride a Mardi Gras float without a mask. Indulge in decadent cuisine, admire stunning architecture, and maybe sip a daiquiri or two on the famous Bourbon Street. From lobster rolls in Boston to deep dish pizza in Chicago, your taste buds are in for a treat. Speaking of Chicago, did you know its river is dyed green every St. Patrick's Day? Take a boat tour down the Chicago River, then join the great debate on Chicago deep dish versus tavern-style pizza. Need a tropical escape? Islamorada in the Florida Keys is your answer. It's known as the sport fishing capital of the world. Relax on the beaches, hire a boat for fishing or water sports, and enjoy infinite amounts of tasty seafood in this laid-back paradise. For wine enthusiasts, Sonoma, California is paradise. With over 425 wineries, you'll be spoiled for choice. Fun fact: Sonoma was briefly an independent nation in 1846. Indulge in wine tastings, vineyard tours, delicious restaurants, and maybe even take a fun-filled day trip to nearby Napa or San Francisco. So, ladies, where are we heading first? Remember, the best memories are made when we're together. Whether it's a quick weekend road trip or a cross-country flight, these destinations offer the perfect backdrop for strengthening bonds and creating unforgettable moments with your squad.